Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send money on Revolut Junior, aka the 18 app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So I'm gonna guide you through the steps over here. Make sure to watch the video till the end and follow along. So to send the money using the Revolut 18 app or the Junior, you have to open up your app, sign in, then simply directly go to the payment section at the bottom of the screen. Once you're there, select the new option to choose a recipient. Once you have done that, you will add the recipient's information, choose a recipient, and now enter the amount you want to send. Once you enter the amount, add a note, or if you don't want to, you can choose that as well. Simply add a note if you want, and then select send directly, and your money will be sent. That's how easy it is. The difference between Revolut Junior is that, again, it's just with the Junior tag, but there are no different segments or different steps than the original sending money process. All you have to do is make sure to remember the information of your recipient and enter the correct amount, have the enough balance, and you will be able to send money like that. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.